Want to boost your Pump.fun token volume with ease? Introducing the Pump.fun Volume Booster Bot, a desktop app with a user-friendly click-and-go interface that makes automated trading simple, secure, and effective. No complicated setups, just a smart, human-like bot designed to deliver results. Stay tuned to learn more. Welcome to the DEX Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. Today, we're diving into the Pump.fun Volume Booster Bot, a revolutionary tool that combines an easy-to-use interface, robust security, and powerful automation to maximize your trading strategy. Let's get started. So, what exactly is the Pump.fun Volume Booster Bot? This desktop app is specifically designed for Pump.fun tokens on the Solana blockchain. It automates buy and sell orders to boost trading volume organically, helping you achieve your token strategy goals. Unlike traditional bots that rely on command line setups or require advanced technical knowledge, this app features a user-friendly interface. Forget the hassle of complicated installations. Just a few clicks, and you're ready to go. Security is at the core of the Pump.fun Volume Booster Bot. That's why it's a desktop application. Your private keys should always remain in control. Here's why this is important. 1. Private key safety. Your private keys are securely stored on your PC, avoiding cloud storage risks. 2. Offline protection. Avoiding third-party servers reduces the risk of data breaches or unauthorized access. This approach ensures you get all the benefits of automation without compromising your asset's security. What sets the Pump.fun Volume Booster Bot apart is its ability to simulate organic, human-like trading behavior. Here's how it works. 1. Multiple wallets. The bot uses several wallets to make trades, creating the appearance of real, diverse participants. 2. Random order sizes. Each trade is a different size, mimicking human variability. 3. Random delays. Trades are executed with random timing, avoiding any detectable patterns. This human-like approach ensures your trading activity appears natural and avoids being flagged as bot-driven. Customization is key, and the Pump.fun Volume Booster Bot gives you full control to tailor its behavior to your strategy. 1. Adjustable order sizes. Choose the trade sizes that fit your plan. 2. Flexible frequency. Decide how often trades are placed. 3. Target volume. Set your ideal trading volume for each session. Once configured, the bot runs autonomously, saving you time while efficiently executing your strategy. With its click-and-go interface, setup is a breeze, even for beginners. Using multiple wallets doesn't just make trading look organic, it also increases the number of token holders automatically. This enhances the credibility of your token and broadens its reach in the market. And here's the best part. You get lifetime access to the bot with a one-time Pump.fun token purchase. There are no recurring fees or subscriptions. Use it as long as your tokens remain within the bonding curve. Getting started is incredibly simple. 1. Download the app. Install the desktop bot directly to your PC. 2. Set up your wallets. Add multiple wallets for trading. 3. Customize your settings. Define order size, frequency, and volume goals. 4. Launch the bot. Click Start, and the Pump.fun Volume Booster Bot will handle the rest. With its intuitive interface and advanced features, this bot is your ultimate solution for smarter, more effective token trading. Thank you for watching the DEX Volume Bot channel. Ready to revolutionize your Pump.fun token strategy? Download the Volume Booster Bot today and experience secure, user-friendly, and organic trading like never before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into crypto tools and strategies. See you in the next video.